In the heart of an unforgiving winter, an unexpected power outage threw the Johnson family into a challenging ordeal. Stranded without electricity for 30 days, they embarked on a journey of resilience and innovation. Harnessing the warmth of a wood-burning stove, they cooked meals and kept the cold at bay. The family utilized candles and oil lamps, reminiscent of bygone eras, to light their nights. Ingeniously, they conserved precious battery power for crucial devices through solar chargers. During these weeks, resourcefulness flourished as they turned to books, board games, and storytelling to weave bonds stronger than ever. United by adversity, the Johnsons discovered invaluable lessons of self-reliance and the simple joys of life. Ultimately, this extraordinary experience redefined their understanding of home and community, keeping their spirits unyielding in the face of darkness.